Hey guys, Brap Studios here. Today we're going to do a sound test of the 300EX. My voice might sound weird because I have my helmet on still. I'm just riding it. Not a cold start, but this is the tire that's got the hole in it. We just pump it up every couple laps. Alright, here we go. Doesn't sound bad. Well, I turn that noise on. Next video, it'll probably be of me riding it. So, I don't have anybody to hold the camera right now.